Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, and each cell contains a set of instructions that tell it how to function. These instructions are called genes, and they are located on chromosomes, which are like tiny packages that hold our genetic material. Sometimes, changes can occur in these genes, and we call these changes mutations. These mutations can affect how the protein is made, which can have different effects on the organism. Imagine a recipe book for making a cake. If you change one of the ingredients or the amount of an ingredient, the cake might turn out differently. Mutations in genes work in a similar way. If a mutation changes the instructions for making a protein, the protein might work better, worse, or just the same as it did before. Some mutations are harmful, meaning they can cause problems for the organism. For example, a mutation in a gene that controls the production of insulin could lead to diabetes, a disease where the body has trouble controlling its blood sugar levels. Other mutations can be beneficial, meaning they can help the organism survive and thrive. For example, a mutation in a gene that controls the production of hemoglobin could help protect against malaria, a disease caused by a parasite that is carried by mosquitoes. Finally, some mutations are neutral, meaning they don't have any effect on the organism. These mutations can happen in parts of the gene that don't actually code for the protein, or they can be changes in the code that don't actually change the protein itself. In summary, mutations in genes can affect the proteins that the genes make, which can have different effects on the organism. Some mutations can be harmful, some can be beneficial, and some don't have any effect at all. It's important to study mutations and their effects so that we can better understand how our bodies work and how to treat genetic diseases.